That's Yolanda. Oh, Jade's turn. Jade, how was it? You have to hold Jade here. Yeah, you have to. Really, that she's not holding it yet. Oh, what happened? What happened? Are you scaring Jade? Nini? No. Manali ka na, maglaro ka na. Ay, grabe, oy. Malamig. Magpapainit ka na ba? Mga 30 minutes mainit na? Okay. Ayan, mag-sauna tayo, guys. Hintay natin sila dito. Ayan. Ayan. Mahina ngayon pasukan ng mga ating mga angels, ha? Ayan, hintayin na natin sila. Ah, saan bang araw? Grabe, oy. Nag-ikot-ikot pa sila eh. Ayan. Just may busy-busy. Ayuda day to day. Ay, ay, ay. So, ito ang raspberry. Yan mga raspberry dyan. Hintayin natin. Tignan natin yung mga halaman ni Mother, guys. Nasa 18 minutes na pala tayo. Ito yung mga daisy ni Mother. Ayan. Naririnig ko na si Jelana. Nasa libro yung araw. Oo nga. Sinabi mo. Tingnan natin si Jelana. Naririnig ko yung boses niya. Ay, may sunflowers. Hindi na maano yung sunflowers. Sana Ayan, sunflower siya. Ayan. Asan kaya? Naririnig ko siya. Thank you, Chay. Anong ulam? Ano sila? Anong ulam, Chay? What happened? How, how's how's the game? How's the ride, Jade? How's the ride? What happened to you? Come on now. J- huh? Oh, really? By yourself? Oh, wow. Oh, hotdog lang, ma'am. Sabaw ko, kape, gatas. Ano yun? Jilana, you have to come back. Don't go far, okay? Hey, don't go to the driveway. Don't turn around. Okay. No, don't do that. Yeah. Okay, good. You can put the snowplow. Where are you going? Wow, Juliana, you wanna play now? Come on. Show daddy, let's go play on the swing. Oh, there's already yellow. Already ate it. Did you eat it? Did you eat it? No. You s- she was saving it or what?